Hi, my beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm back with another video. This time we are doing a roller setting style. My client here has been coming to me for a while now, and she comes anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks, just depending what she got going on. But I do like her to wear her hair natural in between. I know her hair looks thick, but her strands are on the finer side, and I don't like her to put heat on it often. I don't want her to get heat damage, so she wears her hair natural in between and moisturize it as well. But we do her trim every 8 to 10 weeks. If her schedule permits, but we try to stay in that time frame so that we don't get split ends. So I'll be straightening her hair and trimming her afterwards. But for her hair texture, usually I like to use less heat. So the rollers help me a lot with straightening or stretching her curls out. I don't want to use high heat on her or go back and forth with the flat iron on her hair. So I'm very careful of how much heat I put on her hair, just because it just feels fragile and fine, and I can really get it heat damage easily. So I really have to be careful. And the goal is healthy hair. So the first time she came, that's the conversation we had was how she keeps it on home, what is the goal, and what's her concern, and what I would like her to do. Because it is a teamwork, right? So unless you go to a salon every 2 weeks or every week, there are people who like to get their hair done every week, and I do have clients like that. Unless you do that, and if you're the type of person you wash your hair at home and maintain it at home, we have to be on the same page, meaning we have to be a team in terms of you gotta tell me what you're doing at home, or when I give you a device, I would like for you to implement it while you're at home. So it goes hand in hand. We can't you can't just say, I go to a good hair stylist and not do anything at home, even to the point where how you sleep. Do you wrap your hair? Do you pin curl it? Do you just go to sleep without any bonnets or silk scarf or anything like that? So the simplest things matter, and having that relationship with your stylist matter. So yeah, and as you guys can see here, we are done with the rollers. I touch up her roots and then go over the rest of the hair. I use very low heat on her because I don't want her to get any heat damage. And then we're gonna do a trim and style it. So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any concern or question, please let me know. But otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and for your love and all of it. All right.